Good morning, y'all. Welcome to KK's Unique Diamond Painting channel. This is my very first video, and it's going to be an unboxing of Victoria's Moon. As you can see, the package came. It appears to have no bangs in the box or anything. Just box is perfect. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I ordered this painting after Victoria's Moon contacted me, and I explained to them that I didn't have a channel, and she still wanted me to go ahead and test out her product. Oh, okay. So the behind the black bag that it came in, as you can see, it did have some dents on the ends of and it's tore of the box, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue for the painting itself that's inside. Wow, I didn't even have to. So here we go. The box is empty. So let's see what we got. When she contacted me, she told me that they would like to have us order paintings that are 60 by 60 or higher, or bigger in size. Look at all those beads. Because they really wanted to get their name and their product out there. Oh, sweet. I got one of the little gem pens. And it looks like it came in perfect condition. That is awesome. We'll put this aside. The toolkit has the just basic, the bolt with no funnel. It has this, we're finding out, is to, like, if there's a part on your canvas that doesn't have sticky, you can cut this into the size you need and stick it on there, and it becomes sticky, so you'll be able to place the drill. We have the basic pink pen. I believe that's a 9-placer. One plate of wax. And the thin bent tweezers. Okay, so let's get into the canvas and see what I ordered. So it came kind of weirdly done. There's like one strip down here at the bottom, and then the rest is one solid sheet. Apparently that's the way that they're sending them, because I've seen others come in that fashion as well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see using the thumbnail, but this is what we did. It's a tailgate party for the Kentucky Wildcats, my absolute favorite college basketball team. When they contacted me from Victoria's Moon, I asked them, would I be able to get a custom, because I have been seeing, like, everyone was choosing pictures that they were finding on their website, and she assured me that it was fine, that I could order a custom, just go ahead and attach the picture that I wanted to the email, and she would send it over and that they would get it printed up. So for this size right here, which is a 60 by 80, it's approximately 12.99 euros, which converts out to be like $48-ish. Upon first inspection, one thing I would like to say is it would be really great if they would go ahead and put a legend on both sides of the canvas. That would be one thing. Other than that, the canvas looks really good. Just a little bit bent up along the edge, but that was because of the box from in shipping, so no big thing. Other than that, it looks really good. Now that we have it relaxed, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how this painting looks. And get it opened up and check it out. Upon first inspection, it's rather big and like kind of pixelated, almost like blurry. In the camera, it does look a little better. So let's see the drill field. It's very clear. It doesn't appear to have issues with that. I'm hoping that after I do it, some of the detail will start to show, because in just the initial opening, the detail in the picture isn't showing up that clear. You can see the UKs everywhere, but there's more to it than just looking at the UK. And just did a little wildcat right here and kind of see a truck right here. Turn it around and open the other side up. See what the other side looks like. See the back half of the truck and a little keg there, a flag. You can't see any of the other details though, so I'm hoping it comes to life as I'm working it and placing diamonds. And then there's the bottom of it. Looks like a little cooler there. All right. So let's check the diamonds out. By the way, this canvas, it has 35 colors. The symbols are, there's a heart and like a sun and an L and like a picture frame. Some of them symbols are kind of crazy, but they shouldn't be anything that I can't get through. So for that, let's see what we have for colors of the diamonds. Let's go ahead and sort them out real quick. It won't take long to go through them. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am taking the day off from making pens today because I want to diamond paint. So I'll be diamond painting today. Get started on this painting, and also I'm going to go up to the nursing home and see about my mom today. She's showing little improvement, you know, as far as her breathing or whatever, but she can't do too much before she starts having issues again. So, I mean, even though the littlest improvement is almost kind of remarkable for her situation. So I'm kind of excited about that. Plus, I just like going up there. I'll take her little surprises and stuff like that. And she thinks it's kind of fun and kind of cool to not know what she'll be getting the next day. Because I don't bring her out something that maybe she hasn't had in a while. Or the other day, my nephew and I, we brought her some Dairy Queen. It was kind of fun. You know, she got to see him being there. You know, you kind of feel like you're going to get forgot. You know, your family's just not going to be there, but I'm trying to show her that I didn't forget about her, and I come up there and visit with her, and it just makes for a good day out. So that's where we're at with that. I do miss her being here. I miss her not, you know, her yelling at everyone all the time, or yelling at me, hey, can you come downstairs and get me a cup of coffee or something like that. I really do miss that, but I know that at least for now that she's in a better place where she can get the help that she needs, and I just have to keep that in the back of my head, that, you know, I kind of hold out that, you know, she's gonna get, you know, better or whatever. But I mean, I know that she's never gonna become the old mom that we were used to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So it appears to have all 35 colors, which is a good thing. You got some like peach color, and it doesn't, the drills appear to be really good. It doesn't look like they have any like knobbly bits on them or any dimples, which is a good thing. The bags come by weight. They do not have the symbol, so what I'm gonna do is I'll copy the legend, and then I'll cut it out, and then I'll be able to have the symbol to go with the number to put on my storage system, so that won't be too bad. Here we have a lavender. Appears to be in good condition. Some of these bags are quite fuller than others. We have a 35.4 gram, 31.4 gram, 30.3 gram. Surprisingly, the 310s is only 18.8, which is a good thing. So, in overall, I'm really impressed with the way that they handled their business, and their customer service was amazing. My painting did take a few extra days to get to me, only because I ordered a custom. I will be like periodically checking in and throwing a small video up and showing you guys my progress through to the end. I said if I would have any suggestions for them, I would suggest that putting a second legend down the side would be great. Putting a symbol actually on the bag would be helpful as well. Maybe a couple plates of wax would be great. And their pen, they give you the 9-placer, but maybe if they would like send a 3-placer as well, that would be helpful, because not everybody uses a 9-placer. My personal favorites are 3 and 4 placers. So maybe if they could just include like a 3-placer. I think it's a great idea to send. You never know what could happen. My nieces and my nephews are here all the time. Something, they can drop a piece of paper or whatever and it could get stuck. And I think this is a great idea to fix that situation. Other than that, the colors look good. The painting, I'm not too sure about at first glance. But like I said, I'm hoping that it will come to life as I'm working it. So for now, I want to tell you guys to have a blessed day. Enjoy diamond painting. I'm going to try to figure out with this, this is my first video, how to link Victoria's moon in the bottom, so that way you guys are able to find it. I'm also going to link my shop on Facebook, so that way if you guys are in the market for unique diamond painting pens, you know where to come. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.